Turn it around, boy. You okay?
Daddy, look! Oh, Daddy, look! Oh, Daddy, look!
Is it a diamond?
Yes. There's 2 diamonds.
Okay.
And then this is gonna be a diamond too. Daddy, look! This gonna be a diamond. Look, we have our fake diamonds, and this is our real diamonds, and this is our fake diamonds.
Can't open it now. Yay!
I got one money.
You can load the bullet and you can load the Batman inside. You can load the Batman right there inside.
Yeah, cause his face.
There's a wings.
Yeah, cause her face is right here. And then her face is right here, cause he's the same team. Daddy, he's a different Batman. I'm excited to shoot the Rubik's.
Not Rubik's, Rubik's.
Rubik's.
Go and press the button.
I will do it.
Go ahead. Yay!
Still
It's
not
not
working.
even strong.
I want to
Only move one Rubik's right down there.
Daddy, I want to do it again.
Yeah, wait.
I want to do that. It's right here. I want to open the face.
Right now.
Right now.
Go and open it.
I want to see.
Just open it like a book. Your brother could open it. He's very talented.
He's super strong.
He opened it by himself. He's a different strength.
Why is this super hard? What?
Open it like a book. Come on. Come on, please. Use your common sense sometimes.
Now, not all about.
Oh, I just break his head. Yay.
Open it and don't return it.
I hurt my hand.
Alright, this is a Batman right here. The new one right there. Lamborghini is right there too. Policeman cars.